Number 13, dribbling the ball. Number 13, pull up jump. No good. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 1. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 35. Shot clock 10. Good for 2 points. 13, number 35. Number 7. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 10. Number 13. 1 up. Rebound in number 0 or 6. No good. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Villoso. Good for 2 points. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Shot clock 10. Number 11, it's Aldres. Wala. Pula. Pili. Number 0, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0. Wala. Rebound number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 13. It's out red. Wala.
Claro.
Number 0. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound number 13. Wala. Rebound Gabo. Number 3. Good for 2 points. Gabo. Number 35. Taking the ball. Pass to number 5. It's out red. Wala. Rebound Gabo. Pass to number 13. Good for 2 points. Number 13. Number 5, pass to number 35, number 35, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 5. 10-7 shot clock. Number 7, it's out left. Wala, rebound, Gabo. Pass to number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. Good for 2 points. Number 13. Steal by number 13. Wala, rebound, Ian Yapon, good for 2 points. Number 35. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 35. Traveling violation. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Number 7. Wala, Ian Yapon. Pass to number 3. Wala, Ian, number 7 again. Shot clock 10, number 13. Wala, rebound number 6. Good, wala Yapon. Rebound number 7. Pass to Gabo. It's out there. Wala, rebound number 35. Number 35. Wala, rebound number 11. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Kusungin dagat. Wala, Yapon. Rebound number 1. Pass to number 35. It's out there. Wala, rebound number 0. Goal for 2 points. Substitution. Number 0, pass to number 7, pass to number 5, pass to number 0, pass to number 7. Wala, rebound number 7. Number 7, quickly the ball. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Wala, rebound number 5. Pass to number 0. Wala, bola dito. Number 7. Upal. Wakabot. Rebound number 5. Steal by the foul. Pass to number 13. Wala. Rebound number 0. Pass to number 7. Wala, rebound number 7. Number 7, pass number 11. Jump shot. Wala, Yahagapon. Go for 2 points. Anak. Number 0, pass number 0. Wala, Yahagapon. Foul, number 6. Personal foul, first team foul. Goes for 1 point. Number 7, quickly the ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Number 7, 15, second shot clock. Pass to number 3, pass to number 13. Pass to number 11, pass to Upal. Go for 2 points, Gabo. Kuha number 0. Go for 2 points, jersey number 0. Upal. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound number 11. Foul. Foul jersey. Number 7. Pass to Upal. Go for 2 points. Upal. Upal. Go for 2 points. Upal. Number 5, pass to number 1, pass to number 0, pass to number 5, pass to number 7, number 7. 10 second shot clock. Wala, rebound number 1, blocked by number 6, number 1 again. Wala, rebound number 13. Number 13 susunod na agad. So na lang, good for 2 points.
Score is 9-18. Labaw ang Tagaytay.
Pass to number 0. Pass to number 0 again. Isao 3. Wala. Rebound Gabriel. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Number 7. Bring the ball. 15. Sila Jata. Pass to number 6. Number 1, pass to number 7, number 7. Go for 2 points, number 7. Number 11, pass to number 13, number 13. Pass to number 7. Number 1. Go for 2 points, jersey number 1.
Paul, oras Paul.
40 seconds.
Last three.
5 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Number 13. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 6. Ulaniri. With 1 second remaining time. 15 seconds remaining time. 1 left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala, rebound number 13. Number 3, Isao Tres. Wala, rebound number 1. Pass to number 35. Number 35, dribbling the ball. Pass to steal by number 7. Number 7. Wala, rebound number 13. Jump shot, good for 2 points. Number 13. Number 35, dribbling the ball. Number 7. Pass to number 5, good for 2 points. Jersey number 5. Number 7, winning the ball. Pass to number 6. Traveling violation committed by jersey number. Number 7. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 7. One left, rebound number 0, pass to number 7. Steal by number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points, Opal. Number 7, breaking the ball, pass number 35. Wala, rebound number 6, pass number 7, pass number 13, number 13. Wala, rebound number 12, Gabit. Wala, rebound number 13. Seconds shot. Rebound number 5, pass to number 25, pass to number 7. Wala, rebound number 6, pass to number 13. Number 13.
Why nagana sila?
Good for 2 points. Number 13. Number 7. Steal by number 13, pass to number Upal. Good for 2 points.
Nice ka!
Time out!
28-19.
Number 25. 10 second shot. Good for 3 points. Number 1. Number 7, pass to steal by number 5, pass to number 0, puso kay Dagat, wala, rebound number 13, puso kay Dagat, so ang anak solo kami, good for 2 points, number 13. Number 0 again, number 0, number 1, number 5,
Ah,
out ball.
out the ball.
Hanapin na lang yan. Wala. Rebound number 7 again, number 7. Traveling violation committed by jersey number 7. Number 1, Itza, good for 2 balls. Number 7, retain the ball. Pass to number 6, number 6. Number 7. Pass to number 15, second shot. Number 1, Itza, wala. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 3. Upal, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 11.
It's a ball.
5. Wala. Rebound number 5. Good for 2 points, number 13. Number 35. Pass to number 1, number 1. Wala. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 7, number 7. Dribbling the ball. Wala. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 35. Good for 2 points. Number 25. Number 13. Substitution.
Hinahinay, alam mo kay kuha mo'y puli.
Number 6. Wala. Rebound number 11. Steal by number 35. Number 35. Foul, jersey number 11. First personal foul. First team foul, jersey number 11.
Hinahinay lang kay kuha mo'y puli. Di mo kapuyon mayo.
Second, may report from Ripa. Good for Watson.
Relax lang, relax.
Upal, 15 second shot now. Pass to number 6. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 6. Number 7, pass to number 5. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to foul. Foul, jersey number 5. First personal foul. First team foul. One left. Rebound number 7. Number 35. Good for 2 points.
Gamay lang.
Number 7, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 10, foul, foul number 15. Shot clock 5, foul, foul, jersey. Oh, he's taping there. Steal by Upal. Pass to number 13, number 13. Good for 2 points. Upa. Number 7. Shot clock 5. Shot clock 3. Good for 2 points. Upa. Good for 2 points. Number 35, pass to number 7. Wala, rebound number 11, pass to number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Time remaining, 1 minute and 10 seconds. 8 out of 3. 1 minute.
Waag yun.
Rebound number 5. Time out. Number 5. Wala gapon. Rebound. Mula rito. 48 seconds remaining time.
48 seconds. Relax lang.
45 seconds.
Pahuay, pahuay.
Shot clock 15. Seconds remaining time. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds remaining time. 7 seconds remaining time. 7. 6. Good for rebound.
Tata.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
Score is 35-41.
Number 0. Pass number 25. Foul counter. First person up. That's all. Ready for the rebound. Number 7. 15 second shot. Good for 2 points. Upa. Number 0. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. Pula de Rey.
Sure, lanting.
Number 35. Pass number 5, pass number 0, pass. Good for 2 points, number 0. Good for 2 points, Gabler. Number 35, taking the ball. Number 5, pass number 6. 10 second shot clock, number 35. Good for 2 points. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Number 35. Pass number 5. Kevin Durant.
Lamat Jib, murag last ball lagi na Jib. Wala tay kwarta.
Number 0, 0. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 35. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 7. 10-second shot clock. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 11. Wala. Rebound number 6. Save ball. Shot clock 14.
Bye!
Good for 2 points. Upa. Shot clock 10. Steal by number 7. Pass out ball.
Klaro, Teteng, ay.
Bola diri. Number 35. Pass to number 7. Shot clock 15. Number 5, Neita. Wala. Rebound number 0. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. Pass to foul. Pass number 11. To foul. Wala. Rebound number 5. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Foul. Jersey number 13. First personal foul, second team foul. Good. Good enough. Last one.
43-47.
Good for 1 point. Number 13. Steal by number 35. Number 35. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. 15-0 shot clock. Sila po. Wala. Rebound number 11. Tataan al paso. Sila dihapakan. Shot. Number 7, steal by number 1, pass to number 35, number 35, pass to number 7, number 7, pass to number 35 again. Nakuha nila number 13, number 13. Low to pass to number 11. Good, wala ihapon, rebound number 6. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 1 is a pass to number 0, number 0, pass to number 5, number 5, Neita. Rebound number 6, pass to number 13, pass to the foul, steal by number 0. Kuha sa din foul ni jump shot. Good for 2 points. Foul. Good for 2 points.
Eh, Palabi. Pahuay. Relax lang.
Foul jump shot. Wala rebound number 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5 dribbling the ball. Number 5 is also good for 2 points. Jersey number 5. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Usa na lang ball sa tagay top score for the 49. 15-second shot clock. Foul. It's out there. Wala. Rebound number 1. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 7. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Labaw na ang kalubog usa. Sable. Shot clock 11. Number 7. 10. 5-second shot clock. Wala. Rebound. Bulangan. Number 0. Good for 2 points. Number 0. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Good for 2 points. Number 6. Number 35. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 0. Block. Number 7. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 7. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Jump shot. Wow, kaabot.
Ay, klaro.
Number 35, pass to number 7, number 7. Wala. Rebound number 13, steal by number 1. Pass number 35, number 35. Good for 2 points, jersey number 35. Number 7, pass to Upao. Good for 2 points, Upao. Number 5. Pass to number 0, pass to number traveling violation committed by jersey number 1. Substitution.
Sinya sa time out dito pra para kapahuay mo ba?
Number 7, dribbling the ball. Foul. Foul jersey number 7. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Good for 2 points. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 35. Number 35.
Paul, para pahuay mo, time out ba?
Number 11, it's out play. Wala. Rebound Upao. Pass to Pra. Pass to Upao. Pass to Pra. Balik steal by number 35, number 35. Pass to number 0, back to number 35. Wala. Rebound number 13. Time remaining 40. Upao, it's out play. Wala. Rebound number 1. Pass to number 7. 30 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15, number 7. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. 20 seconds remaining time. Good for 2 points, number 7. Fifteen seconds remaining time. It's out. 3. Good for 3 points, number 5. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bola dito. Direction. Number 35, dribbling the ball.
Napol, ay ganaba ako Napol.
Number 5, pass to number 1. Number 1, 10-second shot clock. Number 5, return sa place, 1 up. Mula ni Ray. Number 11, jump shot. Wala. Rebound, number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. 15-second shot at number 1. Good for 3. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Number 7, jump shot. Wala. Rebound, number 7 again. Number 1, blocked by number 6. Number 16 by number 13, number 13. Upaw. Wala, rebound number 7. Kuha by number 10, number 10, O'Neal Lozon. Score for 2 points, number 10. Number 13. Wala. Kuha ni Upaw. Wala ihapon ang kuha niya po ni Upaw. Upaw ihapon ni Itchan. Wala. Kuha ni Kulas. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Number 25. Good for 2 points. Number 35. Number 1, pass to number 35. Wala. Kuha number 6, pass to number 7, number 7. Pass to Prapra. Number 7, jump shot. Wala. Rebound number 7. Number 0, pass to number 1, number 1. Pass to number 35. Good for 2 points, number 35. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7, number 7. Good for 3 points, number 7. Pass na lang na ball sa Malungo. Number 1, pass to number 7, number 7. Traveling violation committed by Jose, number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball.
Usbi?
10-second shot. Upaw, ikaw, 3. Wala, rebound number 7. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound ni Prapra. Number 13. Dribbling the ball. Bola dito. Number 35, Niloso. Pass to number 5. Number 5 is at place. 1 up. Rebound number 35. Number 35. Pass to steal by number 6. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Pass. Number 7. First. Lock. Second. Good for 1. Number 0. Pass to number 35. Pass to number 7. Itao 3. Wala. Rebound number 5. One number 0, pass number 1, pass number 5. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 5. Number 7, pass number 13. Pass number 7 again. Number 11, 10 second shot clock. Itao 3. Wala. Rebound number 7, pass to number 35. Number 35, Kosilindaka nagsulong sa mid. Pass number 5, number 5. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 5. Number 7, 15 second shot clock. Number 7. Foul. Foul number 11. Second person. Number 0. Foul. Good for 2 points. Number 1, 15 second shot. Blocked by number 6. 1 out. Rebound number 7. Pass to foul. Good for 2 points. Foul. Number 10. Pass to number 5. 10 second shot clock. Number 5, Itao 3, 1 shot. Rebound number 11, pass to number 7, number 7. Dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Johanna Ilabaw, number 7. Pass to number 1, jump shot. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 13. Itao 3. Wala. Number 35. Foul, jersey number 6. Second personal. Wala. Rebound number 6. Saved by number 35. Number 35, jump shot. Good for 2 points. Number 35. Shot clock 15. Foul. Good for 2 points. Foul. Number 1, lifting the ball. Pass to number 7. Jump shot. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Foul. Dribbling the ball. Itao 3. Finish. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 35. Pass to number foul. Pass to Prapra. Pass to foul. Good for 2 points. Foul. Number 5. Foul. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Foul. Third personal foul, warning for team penalty. Number 35, 15 second shot clock. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 7. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Number 7, dribbling the ball. It's out tres. Good for 3 points. Number 0, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 35, number 35.
Okay, kaya ra. Okay, haras.
Pass to number 5, pass to number 0. 10 seconds shot clock. Calculate 15 seconds. Wala, rebound 6, pass to number 13. Upaw. Wala, 4-7. 35 seconds. Good for 2 points, number 5. Good for 2 points, Upaw. 20 seconds. Foul.
Okay, nice.
Last one. Rebound number 11. 15 seconds remaining time. 10. 1 out. 6. 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
5 seconds, 83-80.
Good for 1.
Time out. Jet, out, time out.
Rebound.
pa. Foul! Okay, good.
1 second.
Tapay isa, time out. Okay, yun na to, per people. (86-83) ang gidaogan.